here at the freight elevator again at the Optical Sciences Building, and I'm going to open up the door. Are you recording?
Yep. I like that call station.
All right, there we go. This is a very heavy door. I got it.
Yep. Sometimes you got to use pressure.
Yep, you got that. You got the gate.
Look at that beautiful armor.
All right, you got to close the door.
Yep. Close it real fast here, sorry.
And you're going to hear the...
3, 2, wow. That is one heavy door.
It is. And I will...
Can I set it down to 1?
Yeah, you can push it. Wait, give it a second. Just has to spool up. That's all.
Cool. Flashlight helps a lot, doesn't it?
And that's the motor generator for this elevator. It's right back there.
Nice. Alright, check out those awesome fixtures.
The 8, 9, and 10 don't do anything. They're just blanks. They don't even do anything. And I'm being honest here. They don't do anything.
Oh, they don't?
They don't even unlock the floor. I don't know what this key switch is for. I think this is so you can take the panel off.
Could be.
But they are blanks, because I'll show you. If I was opening the door up at 8, there are no more floors.
Nope.
6.
Maybe that was a proposal, I guess,
That's
when they built this building, perhaps.
I guess that's how they ordered it from Montgomery. And we're going to end at 8R, but I wouldn't open up this door because we don't want to get in trouble.
We'll just leave it shut.
Yeah.
Slow leveling now.
And we'll end back
Is it
on
leveling? Oh, we're leveling at. Oh, push 8R again.
Wait.
Push 8. I'm gonna push 8R again.
Go for it.
See, leveling speed.
Wow, I didn't know that.
8R is the highest we can go because 9 and 10 are blanks.
Cool. Alright, we'll end on 4.
Look at that light.
So what do y'all think of this? I mean, I like it.
This is awesome.
I've ridden this one before. You will see this on my channel. I filmed this. I think this is my.
All right, now here comes the hard part.
All right, open the door, Alex.
Yep. Oh, sorry.
Okay, here. Let's do it together. One of us, or here. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
That's one heavy door. Ambient light.
The bell rings. We're gonna have to close, but I'll tell you what it sounds like. It's not going anywhere. I'll show you. That's the bell.
Yep.
Now what this thing is, it's probably gonna go in here at some point.
Yep.
This.
Isn't there a passenger car right next to this?
Yep. You're gonna make.
I'm getting low battery, you guys, just so you know.
I turned my camera off. Oh, if you want to film closing the door, just do it.
Okay.
It's gonna move since you push the buttons now.
That's fine. I pushed 4.
Okay.
All right, we'll watch this thing go then through the window.
Hold on.
Pull.
1, 2, 3. Come on.
It's as close as you can get
There we
it.
go.
You got it.
All right, perfect, man. That's it.
Now I'm just looking through the glass there.
All right, I gotta change my battery here.
I got that too.
Yeah. Once this thing dies, I'm just gonna use my phone.
Yep.
And just
Bye bye.
going for a ride.
Okay, enjoy.
That's it. Just get a little view in there real fast. That's it.
Perfect.